Right guys, what I've been using for the last few weeks is going to change your game. Now what this is a TradingView indicator that literally tells you when to buy and when to sell. Now obviously it's not as easy as that. You will need to know some trading terminology, but if you watch this video, I'm going to break it down, get you involved on how you can buy and sell and where to put your stop losses in the right place. Now, this hasn't got 100% record, but it's up in the high 80s to 90s. And like I always say, if you ever hear 100% winning strategy, they're lying. It's a scam. Now, not only with that, you get a free trial with this indicator as well. So stay tuned. I'm about to break it down for you. Before I do, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, here we have it. This is TradingView. If you don't know what this is, just literally go to tradingview.com, download it. You can have access to any pair in the financial markets. Today, we're going to be looking at Euro USD in the forex space. Okay, now this is on the daily time frame, and we're going to be using the signaler. Okay, so that's the signaler indicator. This is the indicator I'm telling you about where you can get that free trial. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you how you can get that as well. Now it's nice and simple. A long position is a buy. A short position is a sell. Now you can set up alerts, which I will show you. Let me just show you how to take these trades. Okay, so once you come onto the chart and you see that there is a long signal or a short signal, or you get that alert, simply come in and place your position like this. Okay, so with a buy, you use that blue arrow that you see here. That will be your entry. Your stop loss will then go on this blue line. If we was down here, we would put it there. Always, always, always go on the blue line for buy. Then what you want to do is you either target the next high. So the next high is obviously this position here. So this would be for a 1 to 2.63. So if you were to put $1,000 on, you would then get $2,630 if we were to close at our TP. Now, obviously, what I do sometimes, it depends on if I'm confident with the trade, is I will just simply wait until I then get a different signal. Let me show you an example. Okay, so for this one would be a short. So a short is a sell. So we want to look for these little lines. So the red line is there. And then our stop loss again would go on the red line above. So with shorts, you want to go for the stop loss above because a short we're selling. So we're going to be going down. So stop loss goes above. So if it does reverse and go the wrong way, then you keep your minimized losses there, because if we're risking 1,000 per trade, we would only lose $1,000 every single time. Now, like I said to you, what you can do is wait for that buy signal. Okay, so if we were to have waited for that buy signal, we would have closed out here and made $1,330 profit. Okay, so what you can also do is, like I did there, is aim for the next previous low. Okay, so we would have closed off here. This would only have taken a few days as well. We would have got $1,920. Okay, so obviously, like I said in the intro as well, this is not 100% profitable, because if they are scams. Okay, so for example, if I just show you one that did unfortunately lose, we would have entered here. Our stop loss would have been on the red line. And as you can see, it went up and smashed the stop loss. But it's good to know, because what you don't want to do is really enter the market when we've got this sort of a movement. Okay, this is what we call consolidation. So for example, every one of these probably would have hit stop loss, maybe not this long because our stop loss would have been down here. But when you see that sort of movement, it means that they're undecided. They don't know what to do. They're just building up orders to make that move before this explosive move down. Okay, so if I just get rid of these, and now what I'm going to do is show you how to set those alerts up. Okay, so it's nice and simple. All you have to do is double click or right click on any of the labels and click add alert on the signaler. Then it will come up with this little pattern. Don't change anything and simply press create. Okay, so the alerts is only for the monthly and the lifetime option. So if you are doing a free trial, you won't be able to set the alerts up because that is only for 24 hours. Okay, so now talking about the free trial, let me show you what I mean. Okay, so down in the link in the description, you will get the signaler bot link. Okay, once you click on that, you will be presented to this screen by _TheSignaler_bot. Now once you get here, you can do that 1 day free trial. Me personally, I did the lifetime plan. What that means is I get this for life now. Any updates, any additions will all be included in here. No added fees, no extra payments. You just pay $350 and you're involved, and it's nice and simple as well. So you click on the lifetime plan, then you will be presented with this message. Once you get that message, click to pay by crypto, and you will be sent to the crypto bot. Okay, now all you have to do is press start, and it will give you multiple different options. So if you are a crypto enthusiast and you've got, say, loads of Dogecoin and you just want to use your Doge to pay for this, simply click on Doge, and then it will say there's a confirmation, 350 US dollars equals this amount of Dogecoin at the moment. Are you sure you want to pay this invoice? Pay now. And then it will give you that contract address. Okay, so it's telling you to send 2056.5708 Doge to the address above. Okay, send only Doge via Doge to this address. Otherwise, all your coins will be lost. So you can't send Bitcoin to that, because that's just how crypto works. That's not what the TheSignaler have put in place. Crypto's like that. If you send it to a different blockchain, for example, if you send Bitcoin to Ethereum, you're going to lose the Bitcoin, unfortunately. So make sure you click on this link, and as you see, text copy to clipboard, head on over to the wallet that you're choosing, for example, Phantom, MetaMask, any of those, paste that into the destination address and send the required amount, and then bang, you're done. That will be literally you ready to get set up, and then you will get all the links, you will get everything sent to you to be able to set it up on TradingView. But there we have it, guys. That is the TheSignaler TradingView that will 100% change the way you trade in the future. I've shown you some examples. I've shown you how to get that free trial. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be sure to try and answer as many as possible. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.